Hi guys, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to create web photo gallery in Lightroom Classic CC. Photo gallery created in Lightroom Classic CC can be exported in HTML format or uploaded directly to your website. Consider creating collection or collections with photos which you want to use for web photo gallery. It is easy to display collection in the web module where you're going to create photo gallery. The first step is to switch to web module. On the left side, you can choose photo gallery template in the template browser panel. There are a couple of template collections plus user templates. Expand collection, then hover the mouse over template name to see preview in preview panel. To use some template, click on template name and wait couple of seconds. To display collection in Filmstrip panel, click on collection name in collections panel. There are a couple of options to instruct Lightroom which photos to use for web gallery. From the use drop-down list, choose all Filmstrip photos, selected photos or flagged photos. If you choose selected photos, then you must manually select photos which will be included in web photo gallery. To rearrange photos in Filmstrip panel, what will change an order in web gallery, deselect photos, then click on the photo and drag it to the new position. Customization options are available on the right side of the screen. You can customize site info like to type site title, collection name and description, contact info, mail or web link, or to include and customize identity plate. By the way, some customization options depend on which template is in use. There are also options to customize color palette, to customize appearance, image info, where you can include caption or some other image metadata, to add watermark in output settings, and so on. To save customized web gallery, click on Create Saved Web Gallery. Give it a name and choose a location where you want to save it. To preview gallery in your default browser, click on Preview in Browser button. When you are satisfied, expand Upload Settings panel and export gallery using Export button. To upload web gallery to your server, click on Custom Settings, then choose Edit to open Configure FTP File Transfer dialog. So thanks for watching and cheers. If you like my videos, please share them with your friends and subscribe to my channel.